It is February and I am going to create a few projects for Valentine's Day using the Thermal Cinch by We Are Makers. Last time I used the pre-made spines to create a few notebooks. This time I'm going to use the glue strips to put together my own personal spines. This one is almost an inch thick and the other two for my coupon books are a 1/4 of an inch thick. I just selected my pattern paper, scored those pieces, and now I'm going to insert them in my Thermal Cinch. I'm going to allow it to dry. Make sure to follow the instructions on my previous video as well. I show you and I talk a little bit more about the steps on how the actual machine works. But you can see here the final results on these books. I will also be sharing a quick video showing you how every single book that you create with your Thermal Cinch looks so professional and can be open flat. Enjoy!